guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare your homemade mayonnaise at the comfort of your home with just 3 ingredients. You know, mayonnaise is very expensive at the market now, so let's stay tuned. The only ingredients you need is 2 lemons, salt, 2 eggs, and canola vegetable oil. So I'm going to start with my eggs. You can see I'm putting my eggs inside the blender. Next, I'm going to be adding a little pinch of salt. I'll be adding it gradually. Now I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of my lemon juice. As you can see, I'll be adding it gradually. You know, lemon juice gives that little bit of sourness in mayonnaise. When you eat mayonnaise, you realize that it has a little bit of sour taste. So join me, let's blend our mayonnaise together. So I've put all the ingredients and let's watch and see what it will turn out to be. At this time, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, as I earlier told you guys before. Now I'll be adding the spices gradually. Now I add a little bit of salt and my canola vegetable oil. So while doing it, guys, always make sure you add the spices gradually while doing the blending. Add it gradually as it goes. You add it gradually. Let's watch and see the outcome of it. Oh, I'm so excited. No more buying of mayonnaise. You can prepare your mayonnaise at the comfort of your home, guys. So let's watch and see how it comes out. See, you can see our mayonnaise now. See our mayonnaise now. See our homemade mayonnaise. Exactly like mayonnaise. You don't go to the market to spend money. Please just prepare this at the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching. Wow, see you.